Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve pubspec.yaml not found problem. So if it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, let me try to run the app. Here I'm going to type on the terminal Flutter run to run the app. And here I'm going to get an error. Let's see what is the error. Here you can see that no pubspec.yaml file found. So we are going to fix it. Actually, it has a simple solution. To check it, normally type on your terminal pwd, and here you can see that I'm inside the workspace folder, but I have to enter on the apps folder. And here you can see that the name of the app is demo app. So if I type here ls, here is our demo app. So I'm gonna copy it and then typing cd and the app name. Now I'm in the apps folder, I'm in project folder. So if I try to run my application right now, Flutter run, the app will open right now without any error, and there will be no pubspec.yaml file not found or this kind of issues. So here is our solution actually. That's it. Now you know how to fix this kind of troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.